How to create a Bitget account. Sign up Bitget tutorial with referral code vugb. Bitget is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges, known for its user-friendly interface, wide range of trading options, and innovative features. Signing up for a Bitget account is straightforward and can be completed in a few easy steps. Using the referral code vugb during registration unlocks potential bonuses and exclusive benefits, helping you make the most out of your trading experience from the start. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating your Bitget account. Step 1. Visit the Bitget website. Go to the official Bitget website, www.bitget.com, to begin the registration process. Make sure to use a secure internet connection when accessing the site to keep your information safe. Step 2. Start the sign-up process. On the Bitget homepage, click on the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the registration form where you'll enter your basic details. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. You can sign up with either your email address or phone number. Enter your preferred contact method and create a strong password that you'll use to log in. Step 4. Apply referral code vugb. In the referral code field, enter vugb. Using this code may unlock exclusive bonuses or perks, so make sure to include it during the registration process. Step 5. Complete the verification process. To secure your account, Bitget will send a verification code to your provided email or phone number. Enter the code in the designated field to verify your account. This step is essential to complete your registration and start trading. Step 6. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA. For additional security, it's highly recommended to set up two-factor authentication. Bitget allows you to enable 2FA with Google Authenticator or SMS verification, adding a layer of security to your account. Step 7. Explore your account and deposit funds. Once you've created your account and secured it, you're ready to start exploring Bitget's features. You can navigate through the platform to see available trading options, deposit funds, and even participate in futures and copy trading. Bitget offers a range of features designed for both beginners and experienced traders. From futures and spot trading to copy trading and a user-friendly mobile app, Bitget makes trading accessible and efficient. With low fees, advanced security, and a strong community, Bitget is a top choice for crypto enthusiasts. The question is, are you ready to start your crypto journey with Bitget? Use the referral code vugb and click the registration link in the description or comments below to sign up today.